guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today is the start of a working weekend and I thought that I would vlog it and take you guys along the ride. So it is Friday today and it is 11 a.m. I'm on my way to a moment of silence shoot. We're going to be shooting a bunch of episodes, do some really fun social media content. So come with me. Hey, hi. Hi. Like we didn't ever think that thought. So guys, we are done with our first episode and now we are on to our second one. We are done with rolling 2 episodes and we have one more episode left, but I had an event to get to, so the team is going to be taking over that one. This is my lunch. I've literally not even eaten yet, but I'm going to eat on the way because do not miss your meals. Life of a girl who wants to do everything all at once. But the good thing is that this year I wanted to focus on my health and eat better, work out better. So today we're neither going to skip on eating well and eat some trash at the event. We're going to eat a healthy meal and we are going to work out, so let's see how that goes. Guys, I ate in the car and it was the worst idea ever because I have major motion sickness and now I feel like I could literally just throw up any moment, and I have no idea why I decided to do that, but we made it. Done with the event. I had to shoot one brand collab at the event and I have never shot a video this fast in my life. I literally paced my way through the video because I wanted to squeeze in meeting my friends before my workout, and now I am on my way to Delali and we will see if we have enough time to make a quick pit stop. I was literally on my way and my worst nightmare has come true. My laptop is literally dead. Also, it's 7 p.m. and my workout is at 9 and I am currently in Worli, I think, and I'm going to Delali and then my workout is in Juhu. So the Mumbai people, do you think I can do both? Because I think I can, but I'm also a really unrealistic person who has zero sense of time management. These are how many people there are at Delali. And I'm just happy that I'm always late and my friends are always early, so I'm not gonna wait. We made it! Guys, we made it to the workout. I am so proud of myself that after this very long, exhausting 12-hour day, I have made it. I have worked and I have worked out, and this is the successful end to my Friday. And now I'm going to walk home, so I'm just waiting for the rain to settle, and then I'm going to get into my bed and eat a good meal. And as a retired party girl, this is just proof of how old I've become and how boring I've become, that this is what my Friday night is looking like. Hi guys, today is Saturday morning and I didn't vlog in the morning because honestly my mornings are super chaotic, but it is 10:30 and I'm on my way to a Mosh shoot, but it is not our regular Mosh shoot. We're coming up with something really new and exciting, so I am pumped to see how that goes. I was so tired yesterday. I crashed as soon as I reached home, and today is going to be similar because I have a shoot and then I have a workout and then I have a dinner that I absolutely have to make it to because my friends from Delhi have also flown in. Also, can you tell I'm a bit obsessed with a certain color these days. We have arrived. Ashna, how do you feel? Are you excited?
Very excited, but I'm also very stressed.
Why? We're off schedule.
Only 10 minutes so far, but I think it's going to be 40 minutes of sleep.
How is it?
I love anything cinnamon.
There's also cookies.
A cinnamon cookie? Then I don't want it.
And this is for you.
God, show the flash.
Oh my god, such pretty flowers, and guess who they're not from?
Are you guys good? Just saying, just.
Pack up, chalo chalo, moment of silence now.
मेरे सारे टेक्स 1 टेक में हो जाते हैं, इसीलिए पूरा शूट 2 घंटे में खत्म हो गया.
Hi guys, I just came back home from my shoot day and it was a successful shoot day. I am on my way to my workout. I think we are doing legs today. Here to dinner. This is the fit. These super cute pants are from this brand called Aesthet and this is the underneath bodysuit. It's 1:20 a.m. and what time do I have a shoot in the morning?
7:20.
I think the night is still young.
Yeah.
What's the time?
3:47.
Good night.
Say good night.
Good night.
Guys, it is 4 a.m. and in 2 hours I need to wake up and go to the temple. So wish me best of luck. Hi guys, it is 9 a.m. and it is a Sunday. It is our last and most hectic shoot of the week. I actually woke up at 7:30 in the morning. We also have a parallel more shoot today. It's been 3 days of back-to-back shooting for Moment of Silence because we're doing a lot of different and exciting stuff. So it's been a hectic weekend with them as well. And today, since I had to be at this other shoot, the team is subbing for me there. But I had the mic, the tripod, the camera, all the essentials. I woke up at 7:30, dropped them off to the office, and now it is 9 a.m. and I'm headed to another shoot for a beauty brand. And I'm such a beauty girly, so I'm definitely pumped for the shoot. But it has definitely been a super exhausting weekend. As you guys know, I slept at 4 a.m. I woke up at 7, so I think I've got like 3 hours of sleep, barely even. And but I am excited to be back on a beauty set. It is definitely a very interesting project and it's a full end-to-end shoot, so we'll be doing website, products, socials, a bunch of stuff. So it's also a really long 12-hour shoot day, which is definitely going to be really exhausting, but I guess it has been a very fruitful, productive and tiring weekend, and on Monday I will take an off and treat myself for all the hard work I've done. And on that note, my highlighter I think deserves a moment. It is the Love EDC multi-purpose balm, not sponsored, but I've really been loving it and I think it looks great. Guys, I have no idea where I'm going or where this studio is. It's so sunny. Hi guys, welcome to our shoot day with Ree. It is a 12-hour shoot day. So will the shoot day end or will we end before the shoot day ends? Stay tuned to find out. Nush girls, say hi. Tia, how's it going?
Good. My head is hurting a little bit now, but I'm fine.
Before and after coffee. We'll be right back.
I just need my coffee.
Excuse me, where's the coffee? Where's the coffee? You had one job.
Getting now, wait.
How's it going?
Guys, we are. I'm actually under a little bit stressed. That's why I'm not able to like give my natural reactions. But I think it's going great.
And are we on time? The important question.
I just want to point this out. It's in progress. So we are very much on time, guys. Are we?
Are we? Tia, are we on time?
It's 6 p.m. We need to wrap up at 8 and we have a whole brand video to film. So maybe not.
But we can do it.
But we make our own time, guys. We can do it. When you put your mind to it, you can do anything.
How's it going?
I'm dead inside.
How's it going?
We'll see, guys.
Why are you hiding? Come on, let's go outside. Everyone is expecting you.
Shooting for 10 7 hours. This is my hiding spot. I'm replying to emails in my hiding spot.
Can you believe her hiding spot is so glamorous?
The team has found me. I was in my hiding spot and I was hiding and they have come.
Outside.
Is it an emergency?
I need her outside, guys.
Is it an emergency?
Yes.
Fine.
Need her.
BRB.
I'm stalking my boss.
As you
After she
should.
said not to.
Are you liking, commenting, sharing, subscribing? Yes. Yes. Part of your KRAs.
I will believe it when she actually goes because you have said by 16 times now.
Will I see you again in 10 minutes?
No, I'm actually leaving.
She's not going to go, she says she'll go.
15 times and then Anusha's in some corner.
16th time.
A type A founder. She does not know how to leave, but this is the final goodbye. It's the final
I
goodbye.
want to believe you, but I know I'll see you.
Bye. Hi guys, I just left from the reshoot and I think I've been on set for the past 9 hours. 8 hours, 9 hours, I'm not too sure. My brain is literally foggy at this point because we were constantly shooting so much stuff that I just had a mental to-do in my mind the whole time. And I think the shoot is still going to be on for another 2-3 hours, but the team came in. We had finished all the heavy lifting, so they're just gonna manage the rest of the behind the scenes and just be there in case any hands-on help is needed with the social media content. And I just feel so grateful in this moment that the team always comes through, especially when we're talking about shoot days. You can't really pick between weekdays and weekends, but I always make it a point to let the team know that when they really do need a break, they can always take it. If they don't want to be working on a weekend or they have plans, we will work around them. We will try to find an option that works for everyone, because I remember as an intern, I never had a problem working weekends or weekdays because my manager was so adjusting. Anytime I needed a day off, she was more than happy to give it to me, and I sort of want to be the same way. If anyone from my team needs a day off, you never have to make an excuse. You can just take a day off because you need it. And I just feel like because of that, when I need the team, they do the same and they really show up and come through. So shout out to them. The shoot day went so well, but I am so exhausted, and tomorrow is a Monday, which is the most hectic day of the week as anyone would expect, and I really feel like taking an off, but we're gonna see in the morning how the day goes, because I can already picture like 200 things that are going to be there in the morning to do. But yeah, this was a productive weekend and you guys have seen what a day in my life looks like. So we're gonna be doing more of these vlogs, so if you did enjoy it, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'm going to be doing so much more of these fun things, so stay tuned. And most importantly, if you guys want to work with us as Nush or work at Nush with our brands, my email ID is going to be in the description, so feel free to reach out. And yeah, that's it up.